Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make elderflower drink. First, let's talk about foraging. Look for elderflower clusters with 5 delicate petals and a distinct sweet fragrance. It's crucial to harvest fresh, fully open blossoms, ideally in the morning, and always away from busy roadsides to avoid pollutants. For a good batch, aim to gather around 20 to 30 large elderflower heads. This ensures you have enough for a rich, flavorful cordial. Once you have your elderflowers, gently shake each head to dislodge any small insects without rinsing, as this can wash away pollen and flavor. Next, prepare your syrup base. In a large pot, combine 5 liters of water with 1 kilogram of granulated sugar. Heat this mixture gently until the sugar fully dissolves. Then, remove it from the heat and stir in 50 grams of citric acid and 2 thinly sliced lemons. Let this cool completely. Now it's time for the infusion. Once your sugar syrup has cooled, carefully submerge all the elderflower heads into the liquid. Ensure they are fully immersed. Cover the pot and let this mixture steep for 24 to 48 hours in a cool, dark place. This allows the delicate elderflower flavors to fully infuse. After steeping, strain the liquid thoroughly through a fine mesh sieve or several layers of cheesecloth to remove all solids, leaving you with a clear cordial. Finally, the bottling stage. Pour your beautiful, clear elderflower cordial into sterilized bottles. You can use glass bottles with airtight caps for best results. Store the cordial in your refrigerator, where it will keep fresh for up to 2 months. To serve, dilute it with still or sparkling water, or even use it in cocktails. It's wonderfully refreshing. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.